Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to find and access Meta AI on Facebook. So first is you have to open your Facebook application on your device and then logged in to your Facebook account. And now that you're here on your Facebook, you just have to click on the messenger icon, this one at the top right hand corner of your screen, to open your messenger. Then right here, you just have to click on this pencil icon, this one at the top right hand corner of your screen. And when you open this one, you'd be able to see here the option where it says Meta AI. But as you can see, I don't have it right here. So the second way for you to find and access the Meta AI is you have to open any conversation, and then using the message box is you just have to click on it. And on your keyboard is you just have to select the at option. And then you just have to type out Meta AI. And then from there you can access the Meta AI on Facebook. But if you cannot find it right here, the next way that you can try is to go to your Play Store, and then you have to download the latest version of the Facebook application. So just search for Facebook, then if you can see the update options, you just have to click on it to download the latest version of the app. But if you cannot find it, even though you try all of those ways, you have to take note that Meta AI is not available in all country or is not available for all users on Facebook. So you just have to wait since Meta AI is a new version or a new features for Facebook. So just have to wait until that feature will be available on your country or region. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.